Welcome to this lesson on mutagens. Mutagens are fascinating and important agents in genetics that can alter the very blueprint of life. In this video, we'll explore the physical and chemical agents that cause mutations by damaging DNA. Understanding mutagens is crucial because they play a significant role in genetic variation, evolution, and diseases like cancer. Let's dive into the world of mutagens and discover how they interact with our genetic material. So, what exactly are mutagens? Mutagens are physical or chemical agents that cause changes in DNA structure, leading to mutations. Think of them as external factors that can modify the genetic code stored in our cells. These agents interfere with the normal structure of DNA molecules, causing alterations that can be passed on during cell division. Mutations caused by mutagens can range from small changes in a single nucleotide to large-scale structural changes in chromosomes. Not all mutations are harmful, but understanding what causes them helps us protect our genetic integrity. Mutagens are broadly classified into two main categories: physical mutagens and chemical mutagens. Physical mutagens include various forms of radiation and energy that can damage DNA. Chemical mutagens, on the other hand, are molecules and compounds that chemically alter DNA bases or interfere with DNA replication. Both types can cause significant genetic damage, but they work through different mechanisms. Understanding these two categories helps us appreciate the diverse ways our genetic material can be compromised by environmental factors. Let's explore physical mutagens, which are radiation-based sources of DNA damage. The three main types are ultraviolet radiation, commonly known as UV radiation from the sun, ionizing radiation, which includes X-rays and gamma rays, and extreme heat. UV radiation is something we encounter daily from sunlight. Ionizing radiation is much more powerful and can penetrate deep into tissues, breaking DNA strands. Extreme heat can also destabilize the DNA double helix structure. Each of these physical agents damages DNA in unique ways, leading to various types of mutations. UV radiation causes a specific type of DNA damage called thymine dimers. Here's how it works. When UV light strikes DNA, adjacent thymine bases, which are one of the 4 DNA building blocks, form abnormal bonds with each other. This creates a thymine dimer that distorts the normal structure of the DNA molecule. The consequence of this distortion is serious. It blocks both DNA replication, which is copying DNA, and transcription, which is reading DNA to make proteins. If these thymine dimers aren't repaired, they can lead to mutations when cells attempt to replicate their DNA. Now let's turn our attention to chemical mutagens, which are molecules that alter DNA structure through chemical reactions. There are three major categories: base analogs, deaminating agents, and alkylating agents. Base analogs are molecules that look similar to normal DNA bases. Deaminating agents remove specific chemical groups from DNA bases. Alkylating agents add chemical groups to DNA bases. Each type interferes with the normal base pairing rules that govern DNA structure. These chemical mutagens can be found in various sources, including industrial chemicals, certain drugs, and even some naturally occurring substances. Base analogs are particularly sneaky mutagens. They work by mimicking normal DNA bases and getting incorporated into DNA during replication. Because they look similar to the correct bases, the DNA replication machinery accidentally inserts them into the growing DNA strand. A classic example is 5-bromouracil, which resembles thymine but can pair with either adenine or guanine incorrectly. This incorrect pairing leads to mutations in subsequent rounds of DNA replication. Base analogs essentially trick the cell's replication machinery, causing errors that become permanent mutations. Finally, let's examine deaminating and alkylating agents. Deaminating agents work by removing amino groups from DNA bases, which changes their pairing properties. For example, nitrous acid converts cytosine to uracil, which pairs differently than cytosine does. This leads to mispairing during DNA replication. Alkylating agents, on the other hand, add alkyl groups to DNA bases, causing mispairing or even strand breaks. A common example is EMS, or ethylmethane sulfonate, which adds ethyl groups to guanine bases. Both types of agents fundamentally alter the chemical structure of DNA bases, leading to mutations that can have significant biological consequences.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.